Good morning, everybody. Honorable Vice Chancellor, Professor Zaudin, His Excellency Ambassador Maciej Pisarski, Honorable Secretary of Embassy, Sergiusz Moskal, Honorable Director of Institute of Business Administration, Karachi, Professor Zaidi, Honorable Head of Department of International Relations, Dr. Dashti, dear colleagues, let me welcome all of the attendees and organizers of this first Pakistani-Polish International Scientific Conference entitled Pakistani-Polish Relations, Challenges and Opportunities in the Changing World. First of all, I would like to congratulate to organizer of this conference from both sides, Professor Żukowski, the head of Institute of Political Science, University of Warmia and Mazury in Olsztyn, and the head of Department of International Relations, Federal Urdu University in Karachi, in Pakistan. As we know, the agenda of this conference focuses on the current times. However, Pakistani-Polish ties have long inspiring history and are a perfect example of bilateral cooperation, help and growth. In the 19th century, two Polish researchers, Jan Gołaszewski and Bronisław Grąbczewski, drew the first topographic descriptions of the Hansa River and Karakoram. Mr. Grąbczewski also reached the source of the Indus River. Apart from discoveries, our countries supported each other in challenging times. During the dark times of World War II, Karachi and Quetta became places of shelter for almost 21,000 of Polish war refugees evacuated by the army of General Władysław Anders from the Soviet Union. It was a very important fact for our history, for our state, and for our people. Now we are writing new chapters of Pakistani-Polish cooperation, and I would like to introduce the University of Warmia and Mazury in Olsztyn. This is a relatively young university. Next year we will celebrate the 25th anniversary of establishment of our university. We have 17 faculties representing many scientific disciplines, such biology and biotechnology, bioengineering and fishery, agriculture and forestry, many social sciences, humanities, arts, medicine, veterinary medicine, etc. We have 70,000 students, more than 3,000 employees, more than 600 professors, and 1,200 academic teachers. Our scientists and scholars are engaged in many both national and international award-winning projects such as dairy fun-in, water harmony, trains, UpWaste, Artemis, and etc. This conference, this is a chance to make closer our countries. I think many topics will be discussed today and tomorrow. Topics very important for us, not only economy, not only international relations, but also environment and future. I'm convinced one day we can meet in Olsztyn, in Kortowo, in our campus. This campus is one of the beautiful campuses in Poland, I can say in Europe also. During this meeting in Poland, we will have the opportunity to deep existing cooperation, which should, I wish you good speeches. I wish you good solutions, good conclusions. And I think our cooperation between Pakistan and between Poland will be closer. Thank you for your attention. Thank you.